Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix data loss with Carbonite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To fix data loss using Carbonite, start by ensuring that you have a Carbonite account. If you don't have one, visit the Carbonite website and sign up for a plan that suits your needs. Once your account is set up, download and install the Carbonite software on your computer. Open the Carbonite application after installation. Log in with your account credentials. To begin the backup process, click on the Backup tab. Select the files and folders you wish to protect from data loss. Carbonite will automatically back up the selected files. Check the status of the backup in the application. Once the backup is complete, you can view your backed up files online. If you experience data loss, go back to the Carbonite application. Click on the Restore tab to start the recovery process. Choose the files you wish to restore from your backup. Select the location where you'd like to restore the files. Carbonite allows you to restore individual files or entire folders. Click the Restore button to initiate the recovery. Once the restoration is complete, check the selected location for your recovered files. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult Carbonite's support resources for assistance. Regularly check your backup status to ensure ongoing protection against data loss. Consider setting up automatic backups for added convenience and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.